It's so strange that we live here in San Francisco and we don't have a backyard, but instead we have this tiny courtyard. This tiny courtyard has so much potential. Right now, we're definitely underutilizing it. There's so many plants that are overgrown. The patio floor is looking weathered, and we're going to give it a nice clean scrub. There's quite a few spiders and a lot of spider webs too. I'm going to wipe down all of the chairs, clean up the barbecue, maybe move the hose downstairs, but let's get started. All right, I'm all changed. Now it's time to start cleaning up.
But yeah, maybe we'll be able to grow your vine again in a better bucket.
I'm okay if the vine goes away.
But it could be nice, like if it was twisted around the lights.
That's true.
Scared about the barbecue. I haven't opened it in like maybe 6 months. It's gonna be a rough time to clean.
Gross.
Oil disintegrated? I didn't even know that was possible.
Time to start cleaning. Okay, first we're going to sweep and get rid of all of the dust and debris, and then we're going to hose it down and then use our special tools to steam the floor and get it nice and clean.
What I did for watering that other plant out here worked so well. I'd never done, so it's called bottom watering.
Oh, yeah.
And look how much better it looks.
Which plant?
That one. It was so droopy before.
Cool.
And now it looks way better. Okay, let's blast it.
Okay, let's blast it.
Don't spray me.
I know, I'm not. I'm scared. Oh, it's kind of coming off.
Yeah.
Special tool number 1, the steamer. Takes a few minutes to pressurize, but then we're ready to go. So you know when it's ready, when it changes color. I love this tool. We use this to scrub the bathroom, bathtub, shower. It's just so cool, multi-purpose. You could change the heads, but today we're going to use it on our patio floor.
Got some hot soapy water in the bucket. Let's use that to clean. Get the first layer off and then the steam one to like really clean it. Stand over here. Oh, look at all the dirt. Wow, so dirty.
Right.
I have something on my face.
Yeah, you had some like nasty spider web on your ear.
I sprayed myself pretty bad.
Next, we're going to try different layouts to see what we like. Scott made a few renderings of the space, so let's see which one we end up trying. Layout number 1. I overall really like this layout, but it might not make sense with the plants because this side gets more sun than that side.
To me, having the two...
Mosquito.
For me, having the two chairs in one side, we'll have to test out sitting down together, but for me it feels kind of cramped.
You don't want to hold my hand.
Like, it just kind of makes it, to me in my head, it makes it feel smaller than it already is. Another idea, instead of the two chairs, to better use the space would be to get a love seat or some kind of bench that would fully fit across the space.
So I have an idea. I want to put a curtain on the outside just to add some color and pattern. I saw it at the decorator showcase and I think it looks pretty cool. Maybe not the most practical, but definitely adds some more color and liveliness to the very neutral space.
I think the chair should go back in this corner because it gets the sun in the afternoon, and this plant wouldn't go here, just kind of a placeholder. Alternatively, we could do the two chairs on this side. The sun is just right in that one spot.
That's nice.
My other thought was if you put the two chairs no, it doesn't work.
I don't like that it's blocking the door.
But the door, yeah, I think that doesn't work.
This doesn't make sense to me.
I think this over here works because we were saying, the sun in the morning here, and then the sun in the afternoon here.
Like this look because it creates this pathway and then everything is on the left. It almost makes the space feel bigger.
I don't know, I was just thinking he's gonna be sitting down here and then just kind of staring into the wall.
Day 2 of fixing up our courtyard. Today's mission is to hang up our string lights and mock up where we want to hang them, just to add some ambience and vibe to our courtyard. We picked these up from Amazon. They're quite cheap, so we're not really sure if it's the right color tone, but once it gets a little bit darker, we can test it out.
Okay, so the plug is here, and we want to drill them into this white wood trim. So I think ideally what we're going to have is the cable, we'll bring it out to the side here and then up this corner so it's kind of out of the way. We won't get that done today, but we can think about that. One thing we just need to watch out for is when we bring the barbecue back out and put it here, we want to make sure that the lights aren't over top of that. Yeah, this seems like it'll work. They're called needle nose pliers because they're pointy. Not really the right tool for this, but I need to find my other pliers.
We put up one hook and I think we're in a really good spot. We're planning on buying another set of lights just because these ones are a little too close together and maybe not quite long enough.
We're gonna stop for today until we can pick maybe a different one because we don't want to put the hooks in and then them not work with a different product.
Couple days have passed and I finally got my Amazon order. We picked up this outdoor smart plug just so we can have all of the lights in sync with all of our smart lights. Scott's going to install this today. I don't think we're going to talk through the process too much because they're doing construction outside and it's so loud and annoying, but okay, let's get started. Everyone is doing construction today, including us. Okay.
I'm trying to decide how far over we want it. I did it all the way by hand, I guess. Well, look how much extra slack I guess we can even... Another reason why I got this is because it's a flat plug, so it can be more streamlined against the walls, and so the weather cover is better over the outlet. Yeah, how I was saying, I feel like we might want to get one of those like big plastic shells to go over this, but this is fine for now.
So here is the almost final reveal of our outdoor courtyard with the addition of the lights, cleaning up the floor, and just like cleaning up the furniture. We're definitely considering something to hide the plug because it looks pretty unsightly, and maybe new furniture in the future. But for now, I think this looks great just to welcome in the like spring and summer weather. A few weeks have passed, and guess what? Wayfair sent us some patio furniture, so let's unbox it together. We have a new bench and a set of chairs, and I cannot wait to see how they look in our tiny courtyard. Today, I hired my own private TaskRabbit to assemble my furniture. My husband. Now that I'm this much closer, it doesn't smell so bad.
I guess airing out. The return of the Wicker Woman.
Why isn't there Wicker Man? Only Wicker Woman. Oh, your shoes are so white on this camera. All right, moment of truth. Wow.
I think they're from the same people because it's packaged the same with these ties.
True.
Got a dent from the packaging. No. Hopefully that comes out.
Yeah.
So you don't lose the stuff. Does it have a direction?
I'm like, how are you doing this with your bare hands? And I realized there's an Allen key.
Well, they're pretty easy to start, but yeah. Then
Work out and exercising. Maybe I should do this for a living. Some dollars per screw. Apparently I screwed it on wrong, so I gotta redo it again.
Well, you screwed it on fine, but you did it in the wrong order, so yeah, you gotta go back.
Wow, and he's finished?
No, I gotta screw in this whole other side. I'm gonna line up all the holes.
No, should I put it face down and do this?